Welcome to another Dell Corporation Quality Management System training presentation. This presentation will describe in detail the 4.2.2 series documents, the Dell Corporation job descriptions. According to API Specification Q1. Responsibilities, authorities, and accountabilities of personnel within the scope of the organization's quality management system shall be defined, documented, and communicated throughout the organization. While the organization is not Q1 certified, certain elements relevant to the QMS are introduced into the system for future certification purposes. The same requirements are stated in ISO 9001:2015, Section 5.3 Organizational Roles, Responsibilities, and Authorities. ISO 9001:2015 states, "Top management shall ensure that the responsibilities and authorities of relevant roles are assigned, communicated, and understood within the organization." While there are a host of requirements identified in ISO 9001:2015 regarding roles and responsibilities, both standards are clear on defining what roles or responsibilities, within the context of the quality management system, are required for each position within the organization. Dell Corporation has developed a series of job descriptions, 4.2.2 series documents, that clearly outline the roles and responsibilities for each position within the organization. Each job description documents relevant information about each position within the organization to include 1. Position title and document identification. 2. Organization reporting structure. 3. FSLA status, Fair Labor Standards Act. 4. Revision level. 5. Document approval. 6. Position summary. FSLA status is the Fair Labor Standards Act, which essentially establishes the minimum wage, overtime pay, record-keeping requirements, and child labor standards affecting full-time and part-time private sector, and in federal, state, and local governments. For the purpose of the organization's job descriptions, Dell denotes an employee's status as exempt or non-exempt on each job description. An exempt employee is not eligible to receive overtime pay and is excluded from minimum wage requirements. One of the main differences between exempt employees and non-exempt employees is that exempt employees receive a salary for the work they perform, while non-exempt employees earn an hourly wage. Also includes the information that makes these quality management system documents relevant. The duties and responsibilities, and the qualifications for each position. Duties and responsibilities are not all-inclusive, but they do include the major functions for each position. Qualifications for each position are outlined to ensure qualified personnel are placed in positions that effectively utilize individual skill sets to ensure a good match for the individual, as well as the organization. Each member of the organization must understand the requirements listed on their relevant position description, and sign an acknowledgement that they understand and accept the responsibilities as noted. An emphasis on defining and fulfilling roles and responsibilities will be a recurring theme throughout the ISO 9001:2015 standard. It is critically important that personnel know what role they fulfill within the context of the quality management system. This is to ensure the organization can meet the requirements of the international standard, the organization quality management system, and most importantly ensure its ability to meet customer expectations. In closing, should you have any questions, comments, or concerns about this, or any other quality management system requirement, please contact Danny at delltank.com, call or text him at 337-224-2873. Or stop by his office for a conversation. As always, thank you for your participation in the quality management system at Dell Corporation. And remember, it's always a good day at Dell.